minute! Who are you?
90 spider. This car. Hold on, I'm about to stream.
I just got shit on, dude. I didn't tell you I started a YouTube channel.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Freaking
Heard.
Battlefield gameplay. Bro.
Oh! Hey, you ready to get jiggy?
GG.
Whoa, whoa, that's above us.
He's right
Literally,
here.
dead ass. Oh, he's massive! Oh, he's huge!
He was right there. He just got fucking folded.
It was so big!
Oh my god.
Did
He was so loaded.
Thinking of his, Oh, fuck. I can't believe you've done this.
Oh, I'm dead. There's another one. I can hear you slow walking.
He's low. On that box.
He's dead.
Nice.
He's a fucking loser.
There's another.
There was another.
Get to me. Yeah. What is me?
Yeah. What the fuck? These fucking raiders are tanks. They're all dead. I killed them all, but...
Is that a player that you just killed?
Alright, let's get it, bro. I'm using my most hated gun in the game.
Yeah.
This is my most hated gun in the game, because I have like 40 of them. Bro, I used to love this gun too. I used to like worship this thing. And all of a sudden it just hits like a fucking pea shooter.
Come.
Yeah, I'm dead.